MJ, when you're ready.
Yes, ready. Guys, thank you so much for your time. I just want, first, kamusta maging third wheel? Sa kanilang dalawa Sam, mauna na ako doon.
Kumusta yung pagiging third
Third
wheel?
wheel.
Actually, it's been fun.
Okay.
One of the reasons I accepted this project was because of Jen.
Yes.
Magkasama kami sa project before was the prenup, which is about 10 years ago. I enjoyed working with her. And ang ganda ng kwento nito. So it was her, then yung kwento, but first time na magkasama kami ni Dennis. And it's been such a pleasure working with Dennis. He's super bait. But also seeing their dynamics as a married couple and working together. Ayun, yung sinabi ko kanina, nakaka-inspire. Like, I think it's hard sometimes to mix personal life and work, and they're able to do it so well.
Did you have time to bond also with Dennis? Because I know you know Jen already.
Actually, yung mga bonding namin, the one thing na nako-connect kami is sa pagmumotor.
Ooh.
Yes, we connect so well. Well, I think si Jen ang nauna sa pagmumotor, tapos nadamay din si Dennis. But we've been planning a ride sometime soon.
That's nice. So parang nagbunga pa pala to ng activity as co-actors.
Oo, kasi bihira rin yung makatrabaho ka ng isang artista na meron kayong mga parehong mga interest and like. So,
Yes,
alam mo yun. So pag nangyari yun, parang i-maximize na natin.
Yeah.
Yun.
And sinabi nyo pala na before pa to ng production nyo, tinanggap nyo na yung project na ito. But you guys were already, this is your first married project together and it talks about the intricacies of love. So, why? Bakit parang, why was it an interest to you na gawin yun, given that of course you have your off-cam relationship as husband and wife and now you're gonna portray it on-cam in a totally different light?
Maganda kasi yung kwento niya eh.
Salamat kay Miss Rona sa
Oo,
magandang
salamat
kwento.
sa napakagaling na screenplay. Maganda yung kwento niya, interesting yung mga characters. Sobrang ganda ng mga characters dito, kahit yung kay Sam, talagang, actually yun nga yung role na talagang gusto ko, yung role ni Sam.
Gusto mo yung role?
Oo, gusto ko talaga kasi nakakatawa yung role niya.
Hindi ko lang yan, ha?
Ha? Hindi, talagang yun talaga yung gusto kong role. Para maiba, pero ayun, alam mo yun, syempre, yung director namin nagtitiwala kami and sa tingin niya ito yung talagang mga bagay na roles para sa amin. Pero talagang gusto ko talaga yung role ni Sam noon pa dun sa adaptation na to.
How about for you?
Yes, sabi ko kanina, salamat kay Miss Rona sa magandang kwento. Kung baka ganun. Okay, bukod doon, bukod sa nakaka-relate ako dun sa kwento, masaya ako at excited ako dahil kasama ko si Dennis. First time namin magkakasama na mag-asawa na kami. Masaya yung kwento, light lang siya. Si Sam naman, happy ako na makatrabaho ulit. Dahil 10 years na, simula nung nagkaroon kami ng pelikula together. And happy kami. Saya nung set, si Direk, collaborative naman kami. Kami ni Dennis, kami ni Sam, and si Direk, napakabait. Galing na
Kasi
director.
nakwento nyo nga kanina sa press con, di ba, na parang mas kalmado na kayong dalawa ngayon on the set. Kasi dati like kayo nag-aaway. Di ba sinasabi mo? Ngayon, para pero pag kayo, meron kayong creative differences, professional differences, ano yung how do you resolve it right now?
Pag-uusapan talaga eh. Pero hindi pag-uusapan ng galit pa sa isa't isa. Mas maganda yung kalmado kami bago namin pag-usapan yung mga naging problema.
Ito, the movie talks about 7-year itch, tama ba ito? Di ba parang about love and kumbaga, di ba parang there's a point na magkakasawaan kayo in a relationship. And how did you tackle your roles dito?
Paano ba? Kami kasi magkasama kami sa totoong buhay, so medyo hindi na kami nahirapan na i-portray yung role na yun, yung mga characters na yun. Pero syempre, nag-inject kami ng iba't ibang mga flavors dun sa character para mas maging unique and relatable sa mga makakapanood. Itong kwento na to, feeling ko makaka-relate yung marami dahil ito talaga yung nangyayari sa mga mag-asawa kung paano mo na-enjoy yung relationship paano mo ini-endure yung buong pagsasama na yun na alam mo, hindi ka susuko at pangangatawanan mo na hanggang forever kayo magkakasama.
Balita ko kayong tatlo mag-Valentine's together.
Yes, bukas!
Bukas! Ikwento mo naman, Sam, dahil ikaw ang ano.
I'm the third wheel.
How do you feel about that?
I'm excited. Well, of course, syempre yung magpo-promote ng movie namin, but I don't know kung mas gusto nila naman ng my special day kasi it's Valentine's Day. So, I don't mind being third wheel. I enjoy being with the two of them, but I don't know kung meron silang dapat na balak.
Sa dinner. Sa Cebu.
Bakit hindi?
Wala.
Dapat kasama mo yun, di ba? Kawawa naman.
Awkward naman. Sir, okay ba yung ako may server nila. Ako yung magsa-serve.
Okay ka lang sumama sa kanila.
Yeah. I wouldn't mind if they don't mind. Walang problema.
But you guys were cornered, of course, with a lot of love questions, and you guys were so game to answer it. But yun na nga, no, this talks about love. This is for love and about syempre, marriage as well. So, what do you want the audience to resonate with when it comes to, of course, when this shows on Feb 26?
Siguro sana makatulong tong movie na to para ma-address yung mga issues ng mga magkaka-partners, mag-aasawa, para ma-resolve nila lahat ng yun. At makilala nila ang bawat isa para magsama sila ng matiwasay at mas mahaba, di ba, yung relasyon nila.
Ito gusto naming mag-enjoy talaga yung mga makakapanood. Bukod sa makaka-relate sila, dahil ito'y kwento ng mag-asawa, magkakarelasyon, gusto namin na lumabas sila ng sinihan na may baon talaga na aral. At I'm sure may enjoy nila to.
Yeah, para sa akin, it's a feel-good movie. But para sa akin, magandang message. Yung dun sa mag-asawa, I think a lot of people around the world, but dito sa Pilipinas, you look for that way out. Pag parang may problema, para may shoot, no, it's just not working. Ayoko na. But ang maganda sa movie namin, it's
Sorry.
I think I said it kanina, like love is sacrifice. It's not noticing etong kailangan ko. It's about noticing yung kailangan ng taong minamahal mo. It's noticing that, and then when you're able to fill that love tank in that sense, you'll see a different side of that person and a different joy and I mean, the common saying is happy wife, happy life. Or ano yung isa for a guy, happy spouse, happy
House.
happy spouse, happy house. I mean, in terms of a guy. So it's sacrifice of not letting you be so selfish about what you need, but noticing kung anong kailangan ng kasintahan mo.
Thank you for your TED Talk.
Yeah.
Charot. But really, you guys are already married. Isa kayo sa pinaka-loved couples online and of course sa showbiz fans. But did you also learn like a takeaway or two from filming this when you guys were, oh nga no, ganun pala pag kinakasal ka or things not to do dahil dun sa ginawa niyong pelikula?
Yes, marami rin kaming mga natutunan at mga hindi dapat gawin. Siguro, mga hindi dapat gawin
Huwag
pagdating
niyong
sa
gayahin si
pagdating sa relasyon, 'di ba?
Hindi kasi pag yung mga tao nagiging pag desperado sila kung ano-ano yung mga naiisip nila, 'di ba? Minsan naiisip nila yun nga yung pinaka easy way out sa isang relasyon. Pero kailangan mo mag-isip ng mas malalim at pag-isipan kasi kung kilala mo na talaga yung partner mo, yung kasama mo, sa tingin ko mas madali mo siyang pakikisamahan, mas magiging maganda yung flow ng relasyon niyo, no?